European stock markets are trading weaker at the moment. The UK's FTSE 100 index is currently down about 0.3%, while the Euro Stoxx 50 index is lower by 0.6%. In the currency markets, the euro is steady against the dollar. It's around about 128, weaker on the day, but still holding its ground, while in the peripheral bond markets, both Spanish and Italian bond yields are relatively calm. Good morning, I'm Ishaq Siddiqui, and welcome back to another Daily Market Bite. I am going to give you a quick idea of what's going on in stock markets today and give you a heads up for the rest of the week. We are back after a long Easter weekend. Investors were kicked off the month of April on a rather bullish tone, so we've had some strong gains across European equity markets yesterday, and today we're seeing a bit of a pullback as a result. The weak PMI data from the Eurozone yesterday, the surveys did indicate that the Eurozone economy is struggling, and now that we have an ECB monthly policy meeting tomorrow, investors are gearing up for that with the expectation that the ECB might cut rates by 0.25%, so 25 basis points. Also adding to that is the fact that the issue in Cyprus, although somewhat abated, given the fact that Cyprus has now received its bailout, and there's some relative calm in the banking sector and not a bank run as many had expected when the banks opened. There is still cause for concern in that particular part of the Eurozone, and investors are looking at the ECB now to get some more direction as to what's going to happen in the Eurozone in the next few months. So the situation is still very much sticky. Also, at the same time, you have to remember that Italy continues to have its own problems. The fact that the country is still very much ungovernable, so investors are on the whole a little bit more quite pessimistic about the situation in the Eurozone, so we're looking for a rate cut tomorrow. Also on the agenda, we have jobs data coming out from the US. Today we have the ADP report, which is generally seen as a bit of a precursor to Friday's non-farm monthly payrolls report, and the expectations are for about 200,000 jobs to be added by the US economy on Friday. We're going to look for the ADP, and if we see a strong signal from that, and also tomorrow's weekly jobless claims, and markets are going to be expecting a very strong result on Friday. US economic data has been pretty good on the whole. We did have a poor ISM on Monday, while European markets were closed for a bank holiday, but yesterday we also had a very strong factory orders release. So on the whole, investors are a bit more bullish about the US economy. Other than that, there's not much else going on. It's a bit of a subdued day today, and we're really looking for more US data to give us some direction. ADP later on, and also the ISM non-manufacturing report. Thank you for watching your Daily Market Bite, and tune in for another one tomorrow.